Hey, future engineers. Imagine shaping the coolest CO2 dragster in class. To get there, you'll need to use some serious tools like the bandsaw. But before we start cutting, let's talk about keeping all 10 fingers and making sure your dragster isn't your last. Let's go over some bandsaw basics. Think of the bandsaw as the Swiss Army knife of the shop. It can cut curves like a racetrack or go straight like a drag strip. But just like a professional driver, you need to know your machine inside and out to avoid a crash. Pre-operation safety. Gear up! Just like you wouldn't go biking without a helmet. Don't use the bandsaw without safety glasses. Give the bandsaw a quick health check. If something looks off like a loose blade, it's like finding a flat tire before a race. Don't drive on it, tell a teacher. Operating the bandsaw. Set up the blade guard like you're adjusting your bike seat, just high enough for comfort, which is just above your material's thickness. Keep your fingers out of the no-go zone. Use a push stick or push block like you'd use a remote to safely change channels on the TV. Feed the material like you're walking your dog on a leash. Not too fast or slow, just a steady pace so neither of you trip. Post-operation procedures. After the cut, power down and wait. It's like waiting for your gaming console to shut down before unplugging it. Patience is key. Clean your space like it's your desk. Sweep the sawdust to keep it neat for the next classmate. Leave no trace. Conclusion. You're on the fast track to becoming bandsaw pros. Remember these tips and your CO2 dragster project will be as smooth as your cuts. Stay sharp and safe, team. Bandsaw safety quiz. Why should you wear safety glasses and hearing protection when using the bandsaw? A, to look professional. B, to protect your eyes and ears from harm. C, because it's a cool fashion statement. Correct answer. B, to protect your eyes and ears from harm. What's the first thing you should do if you find a problem with the bandsaw? A, ignore it and hope for the best. B, tell your teacher or supervisor immediately. C, fix it yourself with duct tape. Correct answer. B, tell your teacher or supervisor immediately. Adjusting the blade guard on the bandsaw is like A, setting up a tent without instructions. B, adjusting your bike seat for a comfortable ride. C, guessing the amount of candy in a jar. Correct answer. B, adjusting your bike seat for a comfortable ride. When should you remove the bandsaw's safety guards? A, when you're in a hurry. B, if you want a better view of the cutting. C, you should never remove the safety guards. Correct answer. C, you should never remove the safety guards. Using a push stick or push block instead of your fingers is like A, eating soup with a fork. B, using a joystick to play video games. C, texting while riding a bike. Correct answer. B, using a joystick to play video games. Ace the quiz, ace the project. Keep these guidelines in your toolbox, and you'll be building more than just a CO2 dragster. You'll be building a foundation for safe craftsmanship. Let's make those dragsters and safety records unbeatable.